Okay, can we read them one together?
Approximate 5.7255 to the nearest thousands.
5.7255. What's this position, please?
Tenth.
Tenth.
Hundreds. Thousands.
Thousands.
Tens of thousands.
Tens of thousands. So since this is thousands, we rule our line here, right?
Yes.
Is this up to 5?
Yes.
So we call it
1.
Then add it to this, it becomes what?
5.726.
Because 1 plus 5 becomes 6, and that's option
D.
number 2.
The figure 650,135,001.
658 million, right?
Yes, sir. 125,000 and 1.
Okay. So that's what?
10052111856.
Option
C. Option C.
C, yes. Number 3.
Express 0.00.
Just hang it on your cloth. Just hang it. Okay. Express, let's go.
Express 0.00254 in standard form.
Okay. Standard form. How do we express in standard form?
So the first significant number.
So after the first significant number. So we have to move the point to after the first significant number. Right? So need to move the point to this place after the first significant number. I need to move the point here, right? Yes. So let's move.
1, 2, 3.
So move 3 times for the points to come here. So that will be
2.54 times 10 raised to the power minus 3.
Because we move 3 times in this direction. So it's minus 3. Option what?
C.
Number 4, please.
Find the sum of the prime factors of 60.
So let's get the prime factor of 60. Ibrahim, what? No. Hold. I'll tell you when to shift. As we are speaking your voice, but our voices are entering everybody. So let's go. Can 2 go? Can 2 go?
Yes, sir.
2 into 60.
30. 2, 15.
3.
5, 1.
So the various prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. These are the various prime factors, right?
Yes.
So we want to look for the sum. Can we add them?
Yes.
2 plus 3
5
plus 5.
10.
Option
D.
number 5. Read.
Round up 6,827 to the nearest 10.
Round of 6,827 to the nearest 10. Okay? Maybe we'll just share the question in tens. You will respond to 10, response to 10, response to 10. Instead of 1. So to the nearest 10, what unit is this, please? What place value is this?
Units.
This is what?
10.
This is what?
1,000.
And this is what?
1,000.
This is what?
1,000.
Talk to me. What place value is this? Unit? Tens?
100,000.
Thank you. So to the nearest 10, is this up to 5?
Yes.
Call it 1, add it here, becomes what?
6,820.
So 6,827 to the nearest 10 is 6,800 and what?
30.
Option
C.
number 6.
Number 6. Express 32 naira at the ratio of 72 kobo.
Please, what is ratio? What is ratio?
Ratio means division.
So it's 32 over
72. 8
which is
can
what?
go 4 over 4.
8 here.
4.
8 here.
9.
So that's what?
4 ratio 9.
4 over 9 is
4 ratio 9. Option D. Number 7. Find the LCM of 28 square and 32 AB.
Find the LCM of 28 square and 32AB. Okay. Can 2 go?
Yes.
Oh, let's start with alphabets first, right? Let's do alphabets first. A is common.
Yes.
So that gives us 20A. That gives us 20A. Then this is 32B because A takes care of A and B is left, right?
Yes.
A is still here, so we have what?
20.
And this is what?
32B.
Now let's go for B. We have B there, so we can take out B. That gives us
20
and
32.
now use the numbers. So we'll go with 2,
16.
10 and what?
16.
Then 2 again,
5.
and
8.
then 2 again,
5.
and
4.
okay.
5.
Then 2 again,
5. 2.
then 2 again,
5. 1.
then 5.
1. 1.
Okay. This is lengthy. A times A times B is A squared B. So let's get that. Then let's multiply this. This times this.
4.
Times this.
8.
Times this.
16.
Times this.
32.
32 times
160 A squared.
160.
A squared B.
Okay. Option what?
C.
Okay. Number 8.
Add the following: 1011 in base 2, 1111 in base 2, and 10111 in base 2.
So I have 1011 in base 2, 1111 in base 2. Then this is 111101 in base 2. So I want to add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right?
Yes.
What is 3 in base 2? 1 remainder 1. So write down the remainder and carry this, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what?
4.
4. What is 4 in base 2? 4 over
2.
thank you. 2 remainder
0.
So write down the remainder, which is 0. Carry this 2 here, right? 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1.
4.
What is 4 in base 2?
2 remainder 0.
So write down the remainder, which is 0, and carry the 2 again, right? 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what?
5.
What is 5 in base 2? Respond.
2 remainder 1.
Write out the remainder, which is 1. Carry this 2.
Yes.
So this is 2. What is 2 in base 2?
1 remainder 0.
So write down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1, 2. What's 2 in base 2?
1 remainder 0.
So write down 0, carry the 1. So that's the answer. Option what?
Option D.
Option.
No, option C.
Yes, option C. Okay.
9.
Number 9.
Find the HCF
Find the HCF of 108 and 72. 108 and 72. Okay. 2 into this. 2 into this.
36.
Did the 2 divide both?
Yes, sir.
So it can divide both. So we'll mark this one of the numbers we need. 2 can still go, right?
Yes.
2 here is what?
27.
2 here is what?
18.
So it divided both. We also mark it. Okay. Yes, 3. No, 2 cannot go into both. Let's just pick what can go into both. 1. So 3 can go. 3 into this.
9.
3 into this.
6. You take.
We take because it divided both. 3 can still go. 3 into this.
3
into that, please. 3 into this.
2.
It also divided both, so we take. There's no number that can divide that. So what's HCF, please?
2 times 2 times 3 times 3.
And that's what?
36.
36 option. Okay.
C.
Next question. Next question.
Increase for. Increase
You can take that behind, please. Increase
4,000. Increase 4,500 kg by 50%.
Okay. Okay. One of the easiest way is to increase 100% by 15%, right?
Yes.
And that will be what? 115 over 100 times what?
500.
Right? So this will give us the answer directly. 0 cancel
0 cancel 0 equals to 150 times 45 equals to 5,175 kg. Option D.
That's interesting. That multiplication was fast. Number 11, please.
Find the product of the Lcm and Lcm of the following number 9, 12, and 18. Use a line.
So we first get the LCM. We'll now get the HCF. We'll now find the products, right?
Yes.
So the numbers are what? 9,
12,
18. Okay, so we'll do the two of them here. So this gives us 2 can go, right?
Yes. 2 into 9 cannot go 9.
2 into 12.
6. 2 into 18, 9. 2
Okay.
can go. 2 into 9 cannot go 9. 2 into 6, 3. 2 into 9 cannot go.
Now we have not marked any because it did not divide through, right? So we'll now go to 3. 3 into 9.
3
into 3. Into 9. They did divide all.
Yes.
So this is one of the HCFs. 3 can go. 3 into this.
1.
Into this.
1.
Into this.
1.
Okay. So it means our HCF is 3, but our LCM
equals to 12.
2 times 2 times 2. 4 times 9.
36.
So our LCM is 36. He made a mistake. It's okay. So the product, they're asking for the product. So it will be 36 times what?
3, which is 108.
108. Okay.
Option D.
Option D. Good. Number 12, please.
240,000 is shared among 3 people in ratio 5:4:2. What is the least share?
Number 12.
The least share is 3 over 2.
Okay. The least share would be the share for this person that has 3, right?
Yes.
So it will be 3 over the total. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is what?
12.
Okay.
240,000.
Times 240,000.
12 year 1.
12 year 1.
12 year 20.
20,000, right? 20,000 times 3.
60,000.
So the last person will get a share of 60,000. Good. Good. Number 13.
By the simple interest of 30,000 and half years and 5% per annum.
Find the simple interest on. So simple interest unknown. The principal is what?
30,000.
It's 30,000. The time is what?
3.5 years.
Which we can also write as
7 over 2 years.
7 over 2 years, correct? Then the rate is what?
5%.
So what's the formula for simple interest?
Simple interest equals to principal times rate times time over 100.
Yeah, simple interest equals to principal times rate times time over 100. So principal is what? Okay. 30,000. Rate is what? Time is what? 7 over 2. 7 over 2, right?
Yes.
Time is 7 over 2. Then this 100 is this, right? 0 cancel. 0 cancel. We have 300 here. 150. So we have 150 times 5 times 7. Is something as 150 times 35, right?
Yes.
So 150 times 35. This times this 0. This times this 5 holds 2. This times this 5. That's 7. This times this
0.
3
times 5 55,000.
So that's what? 0, 5, 2, 5,250 what? Naira. 5,250 naira. Okay? Option A.
Find the square root.
Okay.
Find the square root of 9 times 16 times 25.
Okay, want to look for the square root of 9 times 16 times 25. Now we said that this, because of these times, can be split into root 9 times root 16 times root 25. when this is times, so not when it's plus. If it's plus, you can't do this. If it's addition that is here, you first add before you find the square root. But for multiplication, you can split it this way. The square root of 9 is what?
3.
Square root of 16.
4 times
Square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so that gives us 20 times 3.
60.
Okay, so option C, number 15.
Computer is bought for 45,000 naira and sold for 30,000 naira. Find the loss percent.
Okay, please, what's the formula for loss percent?
Loss percent equals to cost price minus selling price over cost price times 1.
Loss percent equals to
Cost price minus selling price over cost price times 100.
good. So let's pick our data. A desktop computer is bought for, so that's the what? Cost price is what?
45,000.
45k,
Selling price
and sold for, so the selling price is what?
30,000 naira.
30,000. Okay,
Equals to
so if you want to get the loss percent, it will be cost price, which is 45,000 minus 30,000, which is the loss, right? Don't forget that cost price minus selling price is the loss, so we can say loss over cost price times 100. So what's the loss here, please? 15,000. Good. He lost 15,000 over, what's the cost price?
45,000
Times.
100.
Good.
0. 15 3.
So that gives us 100 over,
3.
which is what?
33.222%.
Option
Option B.
B. Okay.
Arrange in descending order of magnitude.
Arrange in descending order of magnitude.
5, 1 over
3 over 5, 1 over 2.
4 over 7, 5 over 9.
Okay, I've told us that for OBJ questions, for arranging ascending or descending order, one of the easiest ways to try to get it in decimal form so you can see it better, right?
Yes.
You can actually use the Lcm method, you still get your answer, but decimal method most times they are faster. So let's take this to decimal. What's 3 over 5 in decimal? 0.6. What's 1 over 2 in decimal?
0.5.
Good. What's 4 over 7 in decimal?
0.5.
5, which is 35. 50 gives you what? 7. 10. We can even stop here. We already have what we need. Then 5 over 9 is what?
0.55.
5, which is 45. 5 left, 50 again, right?
Yes.
Which is 5. It continues, right? 5, 5, 5. So with this we can now compare in descending order, means from the highest to the
Biggest.
So which one is the highest there?
0.
From the highest to the smallest. From the highest to the smallest, right?
Yes.
Prince, it's okay. Someone can make mistake. Why are people looking at it that way? Descending order means from the highest to the smallest, right?
Yeah.
To descend from the highest to the lowest or the smallest. So you are descending. Okay? So what's the highest here? 0.6 represented with what?
3 over 5.
Before
4
over 7. Before
5 over
0.55, which is 5 over 9. Before
1 over 2. 1 over
0.5, which represents 1 over 2. So this is it in descending order. Option what?
Option C.
Option C. Okay. Number 17.
On every sale of goods worth 10,000 naira, there is a commission of 550 naira. If an agent delivers 150,000 naira, find his commission.
So for every sale of good worth 10,000 naira, they give the agent a commission of 550 naira. Now, if the agent now delivers 150,000 naira, what is his commission? So when he sells for sales, and let's call the side commission. Why the side talk? When he sells 10,000 naira, his commission is what?
550 naira.
Right?
Yeah.
Therefore, if he sells 150,000 naira, now your sales have to be under your sales. Don't mix it up. Don't put it under commission. So to get the commission into what? 150,000 times 550 over what? Over 10,000. Please, can we strike off zeros? 3 zeros goes to 3 zeros. 1 zero take care of this. So we're left with what?
150 times 55.
Wow.
8,250 naira.
Okay, 8,250 naira. Option
E.
Option E. Okay. Number 18. Read for me.
Multiply 100,101 by 111.
Number 18. Multiply 100,1101 times what?
111.
So let's go. 1 times all these things will give you same thing, right?
Yes.
Call for me.
001.
Good. 1 times all these things will give you same thing, right?
Yes. 1011001.
1 times 1 will give you same thing.
1011001.
So let's add.
110.
What 2 is 1 remains as 0. So we say 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, which is 1 carry 1, right? Another 3, which is 1 carry 1. 2, which is 0 carry 1, which is what? Another 2, which is 0 carry 1. Another 2, 0 carry 1. Another 2,
0 carry 1.
option is not there. Okay, they should have made mistake somewhere. And that's how to they made mistakes somewhere. Let's not disturb ourselves with that. What Ephraim is saying is, if it were to be a test, I would have given it as bonus. Number 19, please. Toyota. You don't know Toyota Hilux, Chidera. Toyota Hilux. Let's go.
Toyota Hilux uses 100 liters of oil in a distance of 250 kilometers. How many liters of oil will it use on a distance of 150 kilometers?
So for kilometers and in liters of fuel, right?
Yes.
So when it is 250 kilometers, how much fuel was used?
100.
Therefore, when it is 150 kilometers, how much fuel will be used? This times is divided by this, right? So it's about 150 times.
250.
Good. 0 cancel. 25 here. 25 here. 25 here. So what do we have?
60.
15 times 4, which is 60 liters. Option. Okay. Number 20, please.
Reciprocal of 0.6525 significant figure is.
Okay, after 20, 20 we should change the mic now, right? Give it to Dara. You guys put yours off. Why? You should have been the one that did it. You pressed it down, you didn't know. Give it to Dara. Pin it. Pin it on your cloth. Pin. Yes. What? You want to go? Okay, you can go. Number 20. Read for me. It's okay. It's okay. You can go. Number 20, please. So tomorrow, 2 o'clock, please, everybody. We're not coming in the morning. 2 to 5. Yes, we want to try to do it when there is light, so we won't run gen. Number 20.
Reciprocal of 0.65 to 3.
Reciprocal of 0 points. I think we should stop here, so everybody should just go home. So what's 0.65 is what? 65 over
100.
5 here.
13.
5 here is 13. 5 here.
20. 13 over.
So what's reciprocal? Reciprocal means turn it, right?
Yes.
So the reciprocal becomes 20 over 13. If you divide this critically, you'll get what? 1, which is 13. Then you have 70, right?
Yes.
13 to 70? 5. That's 65, right?
Yes.
So we have another 50. 13 to 50? 3, which is what? 39. Okay. Okay. 39 and 50. We have 11. 13 into this? I think it should be about 8. So I think that's that. Okay. So we'll stop here for today, then we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.